Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ikwazile ukuwina 3-1. Yes, ba-advance to the group stages of the continental level. But ngifuna ukuqala nje ngendaba yo-coach bafethu. Abantu abaningi bathi o-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs abadeserve ukuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngizokhuluma izinto abakhulumile kimi izolo. Bengizizwa kakhulu ne-reaction lapha ne-stadium ukuthi abantu bebathini, poor decision making from o-coach. Into ekwatise abantu kakhulu abacoach be-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, angibazi ukuthi bathatha ama-chance noma bayatatazela. Angikaze ngibone into kanje. uLilepo uyalimala laphana and kuyabonakala ukuthi ngeke asakwazi ukuqhubeka. Aba-change bona ba-replace uVelebayo uyagijima laphana ubani noModi. Sicabanga ukuthi sonke bazo-replace babuyise uLilepo olimele. Kuyabonakala uLilepo akasakwazi nokugijima, akasakwazi nokwenza lutho, bathi akadlali. Ugcina uyawa uLilepo lapho ulala phansi, uyaphuma still aba-replace. Ama-player akhona ebhentshini a-ready ukungena, bathi bona bazo-replace second half. Kaizer Chiefs idlale for some time bafethu, igame azange uRev layiqeda phela leso sikhathi leso. Idlale for some time i-under pressure. Don't think abantu bayayikhumbula leyo moment leyo. So ama-decisions amancane ayakubonisa as ucoach ukuthi you are good or you are not good. So abantu beba-frustrated ngaleyo nto leyo, baze bazama ukuba ngumsindayo o-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs aba-replace. And even ama-substitution wabo ngo-66 minutes kusasele isikhathi bareplace umuntu osiza i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu bafethu. Umthetho bamreplace ngoMatlo. uMatlo akakwazi ukumaka, sibeni fair, akafani nomthetho. But-ke singasho ukuthi beba-leader 3-1, but kusasele 34 minutes by then uMatlo introduce laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall bafethu. Is it a good decision? Well, I'm not gonna say it, but abantu bayi-opposile kakhulu i-decision yabo coach laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uIgadaro bayamreplace. I think bafaka uSirino that time, bamreplace iGadaro. Again, another poor decision from o-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs. So uzobajaja kanjani o-coach if like izinto ey'ncane bayahluleka, but leyo ukureplace yokudlalisa uLilepo, and I think this is the second time badlalisa uLilepo elimele. There was a time labantu bazo-replace khona second half, bambuyisele laphana. Yeah, abantu abaningi bathi o-coach abadeserve ukuba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngifuna ukungena ku-statement sakabhuti la ubani uMoses Makofane, naye uke wakhomenta ngendaba yo-coach lana online ukuthi akunike o-coach ama-opportunities. But before ngiya kuleso statement leso, ngifuna nje ukungena ku-match as a whole. Yonke i-match yayizolo ngi-break it down kahle. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngikhulumile ngayo after game, but-ke bafana badlalile. uVelebayi usibonisile ukuthi why balinde isikhathi esingaka ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazigcine bamthola. Udlale kahle kakhulu. I think kubalulekile ukuthi it's important for me to know ukuthi uVelebayi leya position akusiyo i-position yakhe. Uyakwazi uku-adapta vele njenge-professional, but-ke yena uthanda ukudlala la kudlala khona uModi. By the way, uModi ureplace ulokhunjana ubani uLilepo omelimala laphana. Gospel truth or like on the ground, abantu bathi faka uVelebayi, ngithi i-chance yakho ukuthi ufake uVelebayi ufake kuModi. uModi siyamazi, siyayazi i-problem yakhe. Uyakwazi ukudlala, he can take players on ama-qualities wakhe, final product for some time, i-final product yakhe poor. Well, it's not even izolo bafethu, for some time i-final product yakhe poor, very very poor. He's a good player, but-ke i-final product yakho mayingacomplimenti umsebenzi wakho owenzayo, ama-fans akukhumbula nge-final product ukuthi wageja i-1-on-1, wageja in wena wenzani. Abakukhumbuli ngokuthi you can take players on because those things are not memorable, but i-good player overall, but final product poor. Nyamboze madoda, umthetho, what a performance. Ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, it means a lot for him. Every game is giving 100%. Defense e-Kaizer Chiefs at times iba relaxed because of baphethe umthetho, so kumele simnike amaflawa wakhe umthetho ukuthi udlala kahle kakhulu. iGadaro-ke usibonisile i-class. I think kuye ozoba i-number 1 striker for i-Kaizer Chiefs, especially ku-continental level. Ayikho into wrong ayenzile kuleya game. Cabanga iGadaro 10 out of 10, ayikho into wrong. And into bengisayisho uma ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi lo muntu lo unomzimba uzokwazi ukulwa nale striker lezi zase-Africa, akasabi nokuyisaba, ngeke bambhulishe njengabanye abantu. Sibonile ayaphezulu awina ama-header, balwa baphushana naye, but naye abaphusha. So umuntu obaluleke kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-continental level. Ukulazi-ke in terms of ey'nyaweni, ukulibamba be-comfortable bafethu. General umjito udlala, uhold ibhola with class. ngathi midfielder overall lapha fighting spirit sakhe overall quality top notch quality uIgatari. Mamelodi Sundowns ziyenziwe izinto ku-Sundowns ungathatha iplayer Mamelodi Sundowns phela yiyo yalethu ku-Igatari eSouth Africa imthatha la imthatha khona iyabona ukuthi i-top notch quality imlona for 5 years is it 4 or 5 years angakaze adlale for iMamelodi Sundowns. uNgcobo uNgcobo udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu one of the standout performers of the game to be fair, but it's important to note izinto ezinye engizizwile ngoNgcobo ukuthi uNgcobo as much as uyayisiza iKaizer Chiefs but-ke akakwazi ukumaka yiyo i-disadvantage yakhe ukuthi akakwazi ukumaka. Kusho ukuthi i-versatility yakhe i-limited, but yena in terms of akuphela hhayi ukuthi wonke iplayer kumele limakhe inside the field of play bafowethu angithi khona amakayo khona ngeke kumake wonke umuntu but-ke they can all try and cover the spaces, but i-modern football requires ukuthi maniluze ibhola as i-team niyomaka laphana. But what a performance for uNgcobo. Good passes, is comfortable laphana on the ball. And I think it's very important to know ukuthi because I get thina nabanye abantu abaningi and we get to watch ibhola stadium njalo bafethu. Le bhola lase-TV nalesi stadium amabhola awethu angafani because of i-TV ikhamera ikubonisa lento le ikubonisa yona. So sometimes masikhuluma ngama-moments amanye because thina sibona iground lonke siyabona ukuthi uNgcobo mebamba ibhola kumele enzeni noma angenzani. Sibona wonke ama-option. So mawubukela ibhola ye-TV awuboni wonke ama-option. Ama-option wakho are limited to what camera is showing you. So that is why I think khona abobani laba I think labantu bakuma-fans wethu why bahlezi base-stadium bangabukeli ibhola endlini because they want to see ibhola live. Obviously they work uku-interview ama-fans but they want to see it live. Abantu abaningi they want to see ibhola live. That's where you can analyze ibhola ngokweqiniso. Ukuhlala e-studio uku-analyze yes but you miss ama-point because ungabhala into ukuthi uNgcobo ubamba ibhola laphana ku-midfield wajika nalo bekana ama-option awu-6 but ikhamera wona ikubonisa i-option eyodwa kuphela. Umodi kufana uModi ukunokubamba ibhola abe nama-options esiwabonayo mhlawumbe ayi-3 but isikhathi esiningi uthatha i-wrong option to take players on and then aphase la thola ukuthi seka-outnumbered khona soku-late ukuthi aphase. Like izinto ezinjalo izithola ukuthi abantu ababoni because of ikhamera ikubonisa lento le kubonisa yona. Solomons has been performing well bafethu so well to i-pace edayo laphana for iKaizer Chiefs. I mean naye akawenza amaphutha isikhathi esiningi. It's just going forward laphana i-timing yakhe at some point at times kumele amake sure angatatazeli mefika final third uvela score ibhola liphumele ngaphandle angatatazeli, hold the ball. Ungafuni ukujaha too much moya phambili because final decision that final pass, that final cross, that final whatever is very important. Mduduzi Shabalala is getting better and greater bafethu each and every game. Siyambona ukuthi confidence kumfana ikhona. Omunye o-dangerous laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. I mean i-combination yakhe noVilakazi i-important kakhulu. Baya-understandana abafana ngathi bayajabula futhi ukudlala bonke. I think uShabalala man for the past few days man is really performing since that selection yakhe kuBafana Bafana. Maybe uyafuna ukubuyela laphana kuBafana Bafana ukunotiswa but udlala kahle kakhulu umjidi. Vilakazi ayikho into there's nothing I can really say bafethu ngoVilakazi. Sonke siyambona ukuthi uyadeserve ukudlala ama-match, uyadeserve ukuqala. By the way, yabona ucoach baze baphushwa ama-fans ukuthi baqalise oVilakazi bafethu yena ngokwakhe ucoach bengeke amdlalise uVilakazi. Never because of ukhulume nge-experience. Yabona ama-match conference abaluleke kakhulu bafethu uku-understand ukuthi labo coach bacabanga kanjani. If ukhuluma nge-experience kaBatman overall uBatman phela ku-professional setup bafethu une-experience more than uVilakazi to be fair. Why ngisho kanje because udlale kuqala ku-professional setup ku-PSL udlale kuqala kunoVilakazi. Siyazi ukuthi mncane uBatman but udlale kuqala kunoVilakazi ku-PSL. So izinto ucoach azishoyo ziyaclasha ziya-contradict makazisho ngoBatman man ukuthi uBatman umncane usasiyaka-ne-experience whatever. If phela lento yakhe beyiqiniso bekumele treat uVilakazi same way. By the way bekamtreat same way but ama-fans i-pressure from ama-fans sebabonile nabo ukuthi kumele adlale uVilakazi ayikho enye into. what a star player bafowethu, what a star player. I-superstar umfana bayamthanda abantu bamthanda be-right, ba-right ukuthi bamthande because of mebamba ibhola isikhathi esiningi ucabanga phambili and then ufuna uku-create ama-opportunities for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Udlalela ukuya phambili umfana isikhathi esiningi, yinto esi-enjoyayo thina abathandi bebhola overall, ukuthi umuntu o-offensive othanda ukuziyela phambili, uku-contribute-a kakhulu. And ya asingeneni kuLilepo bafethu, ayi but Lilepo bengingafuni ukukhuluma ngaye kule clip. uLilepo wabona i-opportunity unobu-greed, element of greediness. Wabona i-opportunity, ngifuna ukunenzela example, i-free kick, khona i-free kick ya-first half laphana. I think bekusase u-0-0 isikhathi uLilepo akafuni noku-negotiate nolokhunjana noVilakazi. uVilakazi uya lapha ufuna ukuyishaya i-free kick, uLilepo no, njengoba ilaphana eduze ufuna ukuyithatha, akanasikhathi. And uLilepo isikhathi esiningi akayishayi ne-target isikhathi esiningi, angikaze ngambona ashaya on target ku-free kick. Ushaya ihholi or phezu kwamapali, but la baseduze ufuna ukulishaya. But umuntu one-accuracy kangcono uMfundo Vilakazi, une-accuracy kangcono because isikhathi esiningi uMfundo Vilakazi uyalishaya i-target lese kukhipha kuyaliseva, simbonile nayizolo uyayishaya i-target kuma-free kick wakhona. But uLilepo walibona uLilepo uma lisekudeni kancane akalithathi, walibona liseduze uyahamba ayolwa nabafana laphana afike athathe i-free kick. Amnakudlaleni as-i-team bafowethu, abantu bangafuni ukudlala as individuals because at the end of the day team sports, abantu kumele badlale as a team. Uyi-good player uLilepo, by the way, don't get me wrong, uyi-good player loya muntu loya, but-ke element of greediness kumele akwazi ukuyi-minimize laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, badlale as i-team overall. Umlungu bafethu Cross, yeah, professional performance from yena. Udlala kahle kakhulu umfowethu, is comfortable laphana ku-left back. Ngimbonile noMarco laphana kuma-grandstand abafethu bebakhona bazoyisapota, but ya uCross udlala kahle kakhulu bafethu kuleya position, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Uyawathatha ama-opportunities abamnika wona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyafayitha. Naye umlungu akanamaphutha, the coolest thing ukuthi akanawo amaphutha. You can beat him sometimes ngoba kusegroundini, but direct la nawo amaphutha yena umfethu, udlalela ibhola lakhe elisimple, good pass of the ball, uyakwazi uliholda, aliprotecte. But no, okay, le ithi ngiyeke kwamanje. No, but ithi ngikhulume ngayo. I-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ibonakala i-stable without Inacio Miguel. Stable, akunankinga, akunalutho. Stable, powerful, strong ngaphandle kwalokho njani kwa-Inacio Miguel. Isikhathi sokuthi Inacio Miguel mhlawumbe bambeke ebhentshini ba-prioritize amanye ama-player kakhulu, because Inacio Miguel is one of the leaders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. It's not just simple for yena ukuthi ahlale ebhentshini ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but defensive yenza kahle kakhulu ngaphandle kwakhe, and isazobuya namanye ama-defenders from injury. Kusho ukuthini ngempela lokho ngaye umfana as i-player, ukuthi is he well equipped, ukuthi alide. Unama-moments wakhe, ngihlezi uma ngikhuluma ngaye ngihlezi ngikhuluma ukuthi unama-moments wakhe la uzobonisa aggression, and then kunama-moments la abonisa like abantu abekho uneasy meyidlala laphana, because you can never trust them. Kulo Eden McCarthy kumele simsalute naye bafowethu. Why? Yeah, unala khona ama-forward passes wakhe akude nokwashaya, meshaya i-forward pass isikhathi esiningi split ama-defense noma i-unlock i-defense, isikhathi esiningi from lawo ma-passes wakhe orchestrate away from emuva, lena phambili kuvele create-eke i-chance or after 2 passes after yena, because of if you drive forward in terms of iphasi, uyakwazi ngempela ukuyisiza i-team no-create ama-opportunities for i-team. Ustable laphana at the back, and akatatazeli, the coolest thing, akatatazeli. There was a moment la is racing back to get the ball, ulwa ne-defender laphana, ovele uzikhiphela ibhola kwaba yi-throw in. That's it. Hayi ukuthi kumele uholdane nebhola uzowenzane namaphutha, likhiphe ibhola, there's nothing wrong ngokulikhipha laphana ibhola. Yeah, ngizoyivala nge-statement sakabhuti la, nasi i-statement sakabhuti. Nasiphi le statement lesi bafowethu, ngifuna ukusifunda sonke ukuthi uthini. Uthe ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu athathela ucoach phansi. Uthi why banganiki ocoach isikhathi ukuthi ocoach benze imisebenzi yabo. Uthi-ke ocoach they've been hired to lead the team laphana. into abayishoyo le effect-ke le ndaba leka Batman novele bayo overall ukuthi-ke bakudala badlala be-competitive football, i-match fitness abanayo ne-confidence futhi iyo into abayidingayo abanganayo. That is why o-coach ba-decide ukuthi-ke kumele baqale nge-confidence or kumele baqale babe-confident and then-ke babe-match fit from i-development team. Uthi akusiyo i-demotion lento lena, abantu-ke bafuna ukuseva umsebenzi wabo. Ukhuluma ngo-coach la kusho ukuthi o-coach mabangathola ama-results imisebenzi yabo phela ngeke iseveke. If izinto azihambi kahle uthi abantu same people abazoblame o-coach overall. Uthi ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs-ke why benjena ngempela, bafuna ukucontrol o-coach, babukela i-bad football idlalwa i-Kaizer Chiefs eminyakeni edlule eminingi, kodwa kaba-appreciate lento le ukuthi maybe uya-appreciate ukuthi kwenzakalani manje. Uthi-ke o-coach-ke ba-under pressure since 2014-2015 season o-coach bawungaqaphana abafikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi bheka i-Sundowns kumthathe uPitso Mosimane i-5 years ukuthi enze iMamelodi Sundowns ibe ile Mamelodi Sundowns eyiyo, ibe competitive, ibe consistent. Uthi why ama-Kaizer Chiefs supporters angafani namanye ama-teams or namanye ama-fans wakwamanye ama-team. Yeah, ngicela ukuyivala nge-statement leso sakabhuti. Thank you bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Thank you bafethu.